Hanbit, and I'm a pastry chef from Korea. Hi everybody, it's Hanbit here. 안녕하세요, 조한빛입니다. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Vanilla Bean Frappuccino. And I stress the vanilla bean part because I'm going to use real vanilla beans to make this Vanilla Bean Frappuccino. You'll be able to see specks of vanilla seeds inside this beverage, and it's going to taste absolutely delicious. This drink, Vanilla Bean Frappuccino from Starbucks, is essentially all about vanilla. So my aim was to add in as much vanilla flavor as possible into this drink. If you like vanilla, you're going to love it. I'll go over the ingredients. Obviously, this is Frappuccino, so you need milk and ice. In terms of the milk, I've added a bit of heavy cream to add a bit of creaminess, but you can simply use milk only. The vanilla flavor will come from both the vanilla ice cream and the homemade vanilla syrup. I've used real vanilla beans to make this homemade vanilla syrup, so this Frappuccino will contain real vanilla. If you want to find out about how to make the homemade vanilla syrup, please take a look at my previous upload. The final ingredient is the xanthan gum. It's the secret ingredient to this Frappuccino. You may or may not have heard of xanthan gum, but trust me, you will consume xanthan gum several times a week. It's widely used in ice creams together with guar gum. It's used to thicken sauces like salad dressings, and it's a key ingredient to any gluten-free baking. What the xanthan gum is going to do in my Frappuccino today is that it's going to thicken it. So it's going to feel more like a Frappuccino rather than just liquid. By the way, Starbucks also uses xanthan gum in their Frappuccinos. That's why their Frappuccinos are relatively thick and appear to melt less. It's actually an ingredient that you can easily buy. You can not only buy it on Amazon, but you can go to Walmart and buy it. Right, so let's make this Frappuccino now. Milk and heavy cream. Homemade vanilla syrup. Xanthan gum. By the way, too much xanthan gum is going to ruin the texture. It's going to turn into gel because it's going to thicken too much. So take a look at my recipe. Vanilla ice cream. And finally, ice. I just need to blend it now. I can already tell, just by looking at it, that this is going to taste amazing. Simply look at the specks of vanilla. Time to try this. It's currently thick enough to use a spoon, but you can also use a straw. Wow. Let's use a straw. Wow, that's vanilla. It can't get better than that. It's great to use both the vanilla ice cream and the homemade vanilla syrup because that creates a synergy or a nice balance between the artificial flavor and the natural flavor. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video on the vanilla cream Frappuccino. You can definitely make this at home because it uses all the ingredients that you can easily buy. Xanthan gum might be slightly harder to find, but it's okay, you can leave it out. Although the texture would feel more like a Frappuccino with the xanthan gum. I'll come back next time with another amazing beverage recipe. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.